Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2016 government pass question. Question number 25 says Islam was introduced in northern Nigeria. Islam was introduced in northern Nigeria when A. Before the 13th century, B. In the 17th century, C. After the jihad of Uthman Dan Fodio, D. By the British in the early 20th century. Now, when we talk of Islam, Islam was the first type of foreign religion that came into Nigeria. So it is the first foreign religion that came into Nigeria, and that happened after the jihad war that Uthman Dan Fodio fought against or had with the Hausa rulers in the northern Nigeria. So option C is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.